Okay, good morning, everyone. It is about 9:18 Eastern Standard Time on the NQ E-mini, and this is 7/23/2021, and I hope everyone's having a good morning. I'm just looking at the pre-market right now. This line going down. This is a 5-minute chart. Um, Everything's looking kind of balanced. It's up overnight. 49. This is the NQ. Like I said, this is up over 49 points in the overnight, which is a good sign. I'm always a bullish guy on this until the market tells me not to be. So my first strategy will be the opening candle, the 5-minute candle. Um, I will show you. Let's see. Let me collect my thoughts real quick. So here is what I was looking for. If I'm going to trade a 1-2-3 reversal, which my two main patterns are. Well, one's not a pattern. It's just the first 5-minute candle. I buy above the high of it with a 5-point stop. Now, the other piece is a 1-2-3 reversal. But when it reverses, I want this slow stochastic to be up right near the 50% line to cross over. And then all of these should be, this is the MACD and this is the RSI, they should be up at that level at the same time. And that just gives me a good confirmation that it's supposed to go up. So with that being said, it's kind of forming a 1-2-3 right now, but I wouldn't be interested in that until, like I said, that these lines are up closer to that red line. And I will be looking at the in 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I will be looking at the 5-minute first candle. So I will come back at that time. All right, so the first candle is open or done. And I'm going to go ahead and put my order above it. It's kind of a strong candle down. And really what I think is going to do is go on down and hopefully form a 1-2-3 reversal. But for now, this is my, yeah, see it's going on down. I'm going to go ahead and put in a buy order above the first candle just to, in case something really crazy happens. But that'd be at the high of this candle is over here. It is 149.94 even, and so I'll just go ahead over here, put in that 194. This way up here. So 194 quarter. Okay, and what this will do is automatically puts in a sell stop and a target sell. So for profit. And I've seen it come back really quick, but this is kind of a strong move down right now, even though it opened up quite a bit. It was higher in the overnight, and I'm just probably going to be looking. Let's go over here to NQ. I'll be looking for the 1-2-3 to set up in all of these indicators to be up near these red lines and the crossover of the MACD. So I'll be back when something of note is worth showing you. Okay, folks, it's looking kind of bullish right now. If you notice, this the slow stochastic is crossing the 50. There needs to be follow through with the RSI. The crossover in the MACD has just happened, and my order is above this high right here at 94.25. So, and that is the first 5-minute candle of the day. So I'll be back if it does get hit or kicks me in. All right, so I moved my order down to this high off this candle right here. So now it's at 149.88 even. Everything looks like if it breaks that high, it should go on up, but this is going to be the major obstacle is that first 5-minute candle. But if you look over here, everything is going up. So I'd like to get in as soon as possible. The more profit I can get, and the easier it is to make my profit, my predetermined profit. So if it gets filled, I'll come back and let you know. All right, so I just got filled, and it is at 88.50. It's not pushing through like I'd like to see it yet. Let's get over here and look at this. 56, yeah. It may stop me out. Yeah, I think it's going to.
Stop filled.
Okay, let me regroup and see what I'm going to do from here. So I went ahead and put my order in above that high, that first 5-minute candle. And it's getting up right there now. And if it has the momentum to carry it on through, it could go on up. But that I'm only risking $100 on this one too. So I lost 100 earlier. And I am just waiting to see what if this has the follow through. It could take it on up, but we'll see. I will come back in just a bit. All right, so I just got filled and I bought at 93.50. I'm up about $100 right now. It's looking pretty good. I think my stop is in a good spot. If excuse me, if it comes back against me, I'll just take the lick. But this was still trading the high of the first candle, so first 5-minute candle. I have moved my profit target up, and I'm just going to kind of play it by ear. This would give me 30 points, which is $600. But we'll see. I may bring it down to the 400 where I usually take. But if it gets strong on me, I'm just going to try to let it ride up there. Okay, so I will come back in just a little bit. All right. So what just happened was I was in long above that high. As it went up, it came down and hit my entry point, and I had to stop 5 points below, so everything was good. And then it started back up. Well, then when it started back up, I just said, well, I'm going to go on and move my stop up to break even at that point, because at that point it should be going on up. And it tried to, but now it came down below where my stop was, so I would have gotten stopped out with another loss. So at this point, I didn't take another loss, and that's just risk management at this point. What I will say is the ES is not acting in conjunction with it, which if they're both moving the same way at the same time, it's usually a pretty good sign. And it looks like it wants to go up right now, but it didn't. So the NASDAQ can really whip you around if you're not careful. You got to watch. You got to watch what's going on. So I'm going to see what happens a little later, and I'll come back and give the details here. All right, so real quick, I moved over to the range chart, and we were still in a bull mode, but on this pullback, I looked at this little 1, 2, 3 reversal, and it was 1, 2, and 3. I bought it above this high right here at 04, and I got out up here around 16. So I was going to hold off till 23 and try to make $400, but I just it was getting too sketchy, and it looks like right now it's going to go on up there. But I wanted to just end the day with a profit, and so I'm probably not going to trade anymore today. That as well. Let's get over here. I'll look real quick on the what my performance was for today overall. Okay, so that last trade I made 235, but for the day, because of the loss, I'm up 145 for the day. And let's just look at this real quick. Here are my trades. It looks like I had 3 winning trades, or 75%, yeah. So that's where it stands. I'm going into the weekend with at least kind of positive, at least positive for today. So I will be back on Monday, and we'll continue from there. Okay, thanks for watching. And yeah, right there, I would have gotten my fill for the $400. But hey, I just wanted to take a profit. So I hope you had a good trading day, and we'll see you next time.